Are you looking for a quick release solution for your race car's bonnet? Well, Proflow have the answer with these Pro Latches. The top is machined from billet alloy, while the latching mechanism is made from stainless steel and will handle 90 kilos of tensile force. We're going to fit a set to our Volvo because it has a lot of trouble keeping the bonnet down during a run. If you're looking through the VPW catalogue and deciding which size to use, these are the 60mm latches, just to give you some reference. But once they're all tight, just drop your bonnet down, they click into place. That's not going anywhere. So jump on the VPW website and order yours today.